cat's getting scared after a storm. This 3-month-old kitten was lost in the garden, but luckily a kind man found and saved it just in time. After a fierce storm with heavy rain and strong winds, a tiny 3-month-old kitten was found trembling and lost in the garden. The poor thing had been separated from its mother and had nowhere to go, shivering in the aftermath of the storm. A kind-hearted man passing by noticed the kitten's cries. Without hesitation, he rushed over to rescue it, scooping it up and taking it to safety. The kitten, scared and exhausted, finally found warmth in the arms of its rescuer. He brought it home, gave it food, and made sure the little one was warm and comfortable. Slowly, the kitten relaxed, no longer afraid and finally safe. A single moment of kindness can change everything. Thank you for watching this heartwarming rescue story.